Hello, morning, afternoon. I'm actually driving. Uh, yes, I'm titling this Driving in Jamaica. As you know, we drive on the left of the road, right? So I just wanted to give you an indication of what it's like here, or what it looks like. Driving on the left, I'm actually in a place called Bluefields in Westmoreland, Jamaica, right? This is how we drive, and this is one of the, I think you call these what, A4 or A3 roads. So this would have been one of the better roads. This is one of the main road on south of the island, south coast, right? It is a Saturday morning into afternoon now, and this is a rural area of Jamaica, so perhaps that's why it's not too busy, right? There's a bike guy in front of me, right? This is Bluefields. I'm gonna go off now into, by the way, look at the sea in front all the way down, right? I'm turning off though. I'm going into a small community, going towards a small community, into a small community called Brighton. Right. This is a rural road. This is typically most of the roads in Jamaica would be. To walking on the road with a little umbrella. Yep, you'll see that. And of course, Yep. This is a signature of Jamaican roads. Goats, yep. Goats passing through. I'm on the left, goats are on the right. So this is good. The smaller ones here, and this is as you can see, this is a really small. I think we call this parochial roads. Again, it's a Saturday, passing a church, St. Thomas Anglican Church, Bluefields there. Small road. So typically, this is typically what it's like. Quiet, a little more serene today because again it's a weekend day, and most people are at the market or at home, right? But it's quite beautiful.